So here are two things that I've been working on. The first is this stool, which is basically just made of plywood, 3/4 inch. It's then cut into two pieces that have a half lap joint that overlap, and then those little footrests at the bottom. And the top is just a round piece of plywood that's rounded over, and then I use dowels to drill through and put the dowels in to secure the top. So no mechanical fasteners, just dowels and half lap joints. And there's plans online for that. This is something that I got from Rockler, which I highly recommend. That sander is the Wen spindle sander, not the Rockler Triton model. It's got to be the same sander, but it's a lot cheaper. But Rockler is selling this plate, which is brilliant. It fits into a router table, so it's the same size as a router table plate, but you can use it just on its own as a larger thing, because this is the plate the sander comes with. And that's good, but a little small. This is big enough that you can just put pieces on it and use it like it's a full-size spindle sander. So I highly recommend that. It's on clearance. I don't know if they're going to get more of them or not, but buy it if you can.